tungkol sa anong gagawin mo sa retirement mo?
Siyempre po, wala.
Okay, wala. Okay, again, we start today. And you, sir, how old are you and what is your name?
My name is Kister and 23 years old.
Okay, so 30, 24, 23. Ikaw, Kister, have you thought about what you're going to do?
To be honest, wala pa talaga.
Okay, so see, a blank slate? We can start with all of them here today. All right, so don't be shy. This is your chance to inspire others. And remember, your story could be a gentle reminder, or basically, it will inspire others to really get the ball rolling and start planning for their future. Okay, Miss Abby, shall we?
Yes. Will you be brave enough to share your scores? Okay. Your score is?
My score is 23, which is low.
parang age mo na. Age mo lang ba yung in-input mo dyan? Hindi naman.
Parang na-decide ata yun.
Sa akin po, 32. Low din.
32. And how about you, Jeff?
Sa akin po, 46.
46. So dahil 30 na siya, he's there in the mid-range.
Mid-range, yeah. Yung score, it will also be relative to your age. So if you're younger, iba yung the way that the index will be computed, and as we get older. Okay, so low, okay. When you get the calculator, meron siyang sinabi na advice. Okay, you can quote one.
According to recent study, most people your age have low levels of retirement preparedness, but don't worry, retirement readiness isn't about where you start, but how you move forward from here, and you're just taking your first step.
Thank you. Okay. When you also click on the next, it will also give you parang mga recommendations. Okay. Some of the recommendations could be na pwede nyo simulan as parang paatrasan na.
Oo nga, let's move forward. Let's move closer.
Tayo natakot sa kanila. Okay. So, maybe you could make it a habit to look up information about retirement and money. Kasi parang sabi nyo, hindi ko pa naiisip yan or wala pa sa radar ko. So, let's start small, di ba? Let's start small. Let's make it a habit to look up information and about retirement and money matters. Ayan. Ang kagandahan naman din sa ating age ngayon, maraming references, maraming mga tools din. Even in our website, maraming tools, marami din kaming mga videos talking about planning for your future financially. Okay.
Okay, si Charmaine naman.
Charmaine. Same lang. Okay. Okay, for you, paano ako nagbibigay ng horoscope advice?
Horoscope advice.
Okay, para naman sa'yo, Charmaine. Okay. You can probably also start setting aside naman money for health emergencies and consider getting health or critical illness insurance. Ayan. Preparing for health naman, it doesn't also choose din naman kung ano yung age natin, diba? So there will be health emergencies. So that is one of the things that you can already prepare for if you haven't yet.
Okay, and how about Jeff over here?
Medium.
May mga recommendations ba dyan?
Our recent study shows that most people your age do indeed tend to have medium levels of retirement preparedness.
Okay, so medium, ibig sabihin doon medyo may mga nasisimulan ka na. Okay? So maybe what you can do further is to create a clear plan. Okay? So pwede kasing naisip mo na may pa 1 or 2 na assets ka na, but make a clear plan on what you want to do naman for your retirement. Kasi when it becomes clearer, you know how you will get there. So knowing your goals will help you save and prepare the right way for a happy and fulfilling future.
Wow, thank you very much. First of all, to Jeff, Charmaine, and Kister for being brave enough to share the results with everyone here today. Thank you very much. A warm round of applause for the three of you. We are definitely rooting for you as you walk your journey toward a lovely future. And because you are so brave, you get tokens from InLife. Thank you for sharing your results with the class, and we wish you the best on planning for your secure financial future.